What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Got a package in the mail today. From LASFIT. Today's video is sponsored by LASFIT. Thank you. LASFIT Off-Road hit me up on Instagram. Thought, they don't have enough followers for this to be legit. Let's see what they're about. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's see if it's a scam. And I started DMing some people, and they were like, yeah, no, this account hit us up. And I think because it's a smaller account, they're able to handle DMs a little more frequently. Anyways, you see the package, which means it was not a scam. So got with them, talked about what they wanted. So now we're making a video on the product that they sent. It's gonna be beneficial for us because we got dirty ass feet all the time because we be walking and trekking and adventuring. But also, you know, we're going to a concert tonight. We're not necessarily, oh my God, my shoulder's itchy. Look like I probably like, I don't know if we'll get enough dirt on it to show how easy they are to clean. Let's get this box open, show you the products that they sent me, and then we'll get them installed and I'll show you how easy and how good they look. A little bit heavy. Oh my God. That might be the trunk liner. And there's the floor mats. I almost hit your mom's Jeep. Very, very rubbery, very... They actually don't make that noise. But they're very nice. And what's better about these than the WeatherTech that Toyota gave us when we first bought the car, thank you for spending $500 of my dollars that I didn't want, that you said you couldn't take out, and it took me 30 seconds after some random friend of mine threw up all over the WeatherTech. Oh, those are drain plugs, I think. You got your two back seats. I'm gonna presume passenger, or driver passenger. Got your little middle thing. This is kind of gross. Got your middle thing. It goes in between those two. Then you got driver. Then you got... No. You got passenger. You got driver because it has the little holes. Please read this manual carefully. Alright. Don't need that. You need an installing manual on how to put liners in. A, that's why you have this YouTube video. And B, are you an idiot? Sit. Stay. Alright, so the trunk one is going to be an issue. Here's why it's going to be an issue. Throwback. Retro PlayStation and PlayStation 2 steering wheel. We take all this shit out, which I had to do anyway, so thanks LASFIT for making me have to do this because you see, my subs shit themselves the other night. And I want to take the amp and unwire it and rewire it and see if maybe the bump I hit just kind of do one of those numbers on the wires. But I have subs, so that might be the only thing not going in the trunk or in the car in general. But for the purpose of this video, I may put it in. I don't really think I can. I mean, maybe I could just screw holes into that, but the thing is that's not attached to said thing. LASFIT, please don't kill me for not putting the trunk one in. I'm sure you can understand. We're putting the stuff that matters in. So we're gonna start with the back. We're gonna take these bad boys out. And these can go in the trunk and I can clean them. I'll probably shampoo them. Get them all cleaned up. Yeah. Put this side in first because you can see this side a little bit better. And it should just slide on up in there.
Baby.
What? Oh. Should just slide on up in there and then, yeah. So it fits a lot better than the factory one they gave me because it's literally laser cut for the car. Then if you get in, you know, they're not moving around or anything. So yeah, that's one in. So slide this on up in there like so. You know, this one's a little warped from shipping, but it's okay. And this, I believe. Okay, so hold on. Maybe I do need to hit it with the. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that's like that. And that's like that. Boom! Now it's all protected. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Practimundo. Take this out. Ooh. I need a new one anyways, because it doesn't even say Camry anymore. It just says Camry. This is where my foot placement goes. But wiggle this bad boy up in there. And then you clip her down in. And then boom. That is a, when it's kind of grippy. So when I'm, ooh, that was an e-brake.
Oh.
I know how to drive manual. But yeah, no, I mean, it fits. It's already getting a little dirty. Got shoe prints on it now. Very sturdy. Putting it to the test right now. LASFIT never sponsors me again, though. Onto the passenger side. Oh man, it just made me have to vacuum more. You take this. You just get your chargers out of the way. Oh, get your chargers out of the way. You can put this down here, and just like that, LASFIT has your back. And boom! Look at that. It's in. Well, LASFIT. Guess you got your wishes after all. I will be using the trunk liner. If you look to your left. Subs came out, amp came out. That's, for the sake of the sponsorship, I'm gonna say I took it out so I could test all your products. For the sake of this YouTube channel, I guess we're speed running the new sub setup because those blew sometime 2 nights ago. But they were used when I got them. $200 for the amp and the subs from a truck dude. It lasted me 2 years. Not really complaining. $200 versus paying $200 for one sub. So I guess I'll just have to save up and get a clean custom trunk setup going, which means more YouTube content that I won't edit. I can't see you nodding. If you're gonna nod, you have to nod the camera because that's your head. Okay. She was nodding in agreement because she knows I don't edit shit. Because I just be working. And then when I'm not working, I'm tired. But I know that's the excuse. If you guys don't have a toolbox, get yourself a toolbox. I'm tired of people not having tools when they need them. I got one maybe like 2 weeks ago. Flop this bad boy in there. It is a little folded up because of how it was shipped, but cannot complain. Wires up.
Wow, the stance.
Huh?
I said, wow, the stance.
Making fun of me?
Just a little bit.
Man, it has this cool. Oh.
You just took all the satisfyingness away from it.
Oh, I got it. Oh. Yeah. Very nice. Yay. Very LASFIT-y. Very gritty. It's like a screen protector. Is it blurry?
No, actually, it's very clear.
Screen protector. Always, people. Always clean up your mess. Because you never know what Taylor's mom is going to be mad at us. You've been filming YouTube videos for me since last October. You should know that don't stop unless it's a 2-minute clip.
Oh my god. I hope my mom saw you throw that box at her Jeep.
This is what motherfuckers with a briefcase feel like when they're on their way to work. Watch, hold on. That's also how motherfuckers that have a briefcase when they go to work feel when they get home, and they're actually good fathers and husbands, and they take it out on the briefcase, not the wife. You want to see how they are when they don't take it out on the briefcase? So tell me why Shotty told me there's a hose on the other side and a hose right here, but the one on the other side doesn't work. So I was like, why'd you even tell me about it? Anyway, as well as the sub boxes and amp, because somebody can fix them for cheap, so I'm selling them for cheap. And they might just want the boxes because the boxes are still good. Also trying to sell my old bumper, so we're gonna rinse it off and wipe it down and post that bit on Facebook Marketplace. I don't need that much. Why do you hate doing that?
Because there's spider webs.
Yes.
Yay.
Whoa, super zoomed in. What are we about to do?
Go to the concert.
Yeah, what concert? They don't know.
Xavier Wolf.
Oh, yeah? What are we doing?
Xavier, baby. We getting lit in this bitch. What you talking about? I'm fucking this bitch. Whoa.
I'm not doing this right now. JJ, stop. Oh my god. Taylor, can you like give me
Excuse me, Miss Taylor Snow? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop.
Can you just tell the people what we're coming to see?
Xavier Wolf.
They can't hear you because you're speaking away from the camera.
Thanks, babe.
What are we doing?
Talk to Hannah.
What are we doing?
Seeing Xavier Wolf.
Okay, what are we doing?
Seeing Xavier Wolf.
Thank you. God damn.
You know what's up with me? We going to see Xavier Wolf. We lit in this bitch. You know what's up.
Bro just started yelling in an office building.
Hey, chill the fuck out. Hey, motherfuckers.
In my solitude. I got Toyota Camry. Hey, what are we recording?
Bro, why is this just here? No, I said you weren't recording.
Well, I had it ready. What am I ready for? Dude, look at this podcast line. What if we skip it and say my dash is signed by T-Pain? We're moving. Xavier Wolf. Hey, wait. There's cars right here. How was the concert?
I gotta pee.
How was the concert?
It was pretty good. I was jumping. My ears are hurting.
Oh yeah? How was the concert?
It was alright.
Was I?
It was
Taylor, how was the concert?
It was pretty good, honestly.
Hannah, how was the
How was
concert?
the concert? It's the second time I'm dying.
How was the
I'm
concert?
sweaty. I wore all 3 shirts so I didn't have to hold them, and that was the worst mistake of my life. So the last thing I wanted to show you guys is how easy it is to just pop these out. And honestly, the driver's side is the hardest one to pop out just because it has these pins. It's not hard, but the reason I say it's the hardest part is because all 4 of the other ones, they just slip in. It's just the driver one has the clips, so that way it doesn't move when the driver's driving, because that would be dangerous. But it's gotten a little dirty. Gave it about a week of just my feet, and I've seen these get dirtier. I've made these get dirtier. Let's pop it out and take it over to the hose, and then we'll rinse it off. If I can get this out without spilling everything. Oh, filming with one hand and carrying things is kind of hard. Pop this bad boy here. Literally just get the top crumbs off. See the scuffs and stuff. And then you turn on your water. Yeah. Grab this hoe. And then you dump the water out. And other than
actual scratches, which I don't know why they're not coming out. Don't know what that's from. Oh, you know what that might be? I put shoe whitener on my shoes. So don't do that. Don't put shoe whitener on your shoes, but otherwise, all the dirt's gone. Let me turn off this water so I'm not wasting water. First world problems. And it's basically clean. You just take it back over here. Luckily, the underneath of it didn't get too wet, so it won't make the carpet too wet, but I'll put it in the sun, eat my food real quick, let it dry out a little bit. That's basically it for the LASFIT floor mats. They're WeatherTech, so the reason I like them is I don't have to get my pretty nice carpets dirty, the little carpet floor mats. Mine are dirty because I didn't have these. But now, thanks to LASFIT, I have these, so I can do my daily driving with these. If for whatever reason a drunk backseat passenger decides to throw up, aim towards the floor. What I say, aim towards the floor. Oh no, it made a mess on the WeatherTech floor mat, and you can just pull it out, rinse it off, let it dry, put it back in the car. But thank you to LASFIT Off-Road for sponsoring today's video. I thought there was a spider web on my hand. If you want to see more products from them, let me know in the comments below. Maybe, if we're lucky, we can get them to send over the full interior lighting kit. Because these lights right here are LEDs. This light right here is a halogen. It's orange, it's ugly. So I have white and then I have orange. I have the LASFIT switchback bulbs in the front, but I really want to switch out the trunk light, that light, and then I believe they make door lights, but I don't even think I have door lights. This is base model. Thought about installing them, but don't really care that much. LASFIT, if you're watching this, ASMR. Yeah, no, that and the trunk light, those are the only two that I need to switch over to be full LEDs. So even if they don't send it, I'll probably buy it anyways because I want them. Thank you for watching today's video. Too pretty outside to not be outside. Go outside, do some stuff. My hands are dirty, I've been working on cars. But as always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video whenever it comes out. You know, I'll be working all the time and sleeping, so trying to get that self-discipline in there. Hasn't happened yet. See you on the next video.